he has some really unique fears and phobias, and that kind of manifests itself in the moonwalk, where if there's something he doesn't like a shiny floor, hallway, an object that shouldn't be there, he'll turn backwards and back out of the situation. He loved that he could just like jump out and eat all the sticks, and he went crazy when he got out of the helicopter, and we're like, I think this dog really likes helicopters. And now when you say, Bentley, do you want to go in the helicopter? He gets really excited and he'll start whimpering and whining, and he just wants to be a part of it. So flying with Bentley kind of evolved to the point where it was, can we take him, to like, we can't leave him behind anymore. He's super adventurous. Even if he's afraid of something, he wants to be a part of it. He wants to do it. He has FOMO, fear of missing out on everything. So he's just a very adventurous bulldog.
We could pair it up with all of Bentley's little outfits. Like, let's say if he's going to a birthday party or a really stylish biking party. Tiny fedora looks great with it. I like these ears with it. Look how stylish he is as a moose.